guys, happy Tuesday. I just wanted to talk about this week's work. So we will be meeting on Thursday to talk about things, but if we go into Unit 3 and we are at week 4, homework due today at 12:30 p.m. You've got a quiz, and it's just an online quiz. You don't need to submit anything, but then you're going to share what you're telling me in the discussion board, and then you're going to respond to 2 of your classmates. And this final part is to have your final draft of essay number 1. That's that personal narrative about yourself, and I gave you personal feedback and general feedback. If we come here to Thursday, we are reading Inquiry in Growing Up Tethered. You might be able to find this online as well if you just type in Growing Up Tethered PDF or article. Hopefully you'll be able to find it as well. And then you'll have the reading process guide, and then you'll submit that here into the Word document. And that is all that we have for this week in 101. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Have a great week, and I'll see you on Thursday.